Hi there and welcome back to our Valentine's Day tutorial series. Today we're going to look at doing a serviette. It's a very simplistic serviette. We don't want to do anything over the top. It's just something to add a little bit of color and texture to our table and our place setting. And you can use any paper serviette. So what we're needing is a paper serviette and a linen napkin. These you get in standard sizes. So our final product will be a red underplate with a white plate on top. And so we're going for a white napkin and a little bit of a goldish serviette. You can also maybe do this in a very nice deep red that will match your roses on the table. So let's get started. As I said, this is very simple. You're going to take your napkin, open it up, and you basically just want to fold it in half. So we have half this open. Your paper one, you need to open. And with this one, we want to fold it into a triangle, so half it diagonally. Okay. Flatten that nicely. I'm going to have a look at where our fold would be. And just remember that line. And there's often people that the linen napkin looks very nice, but there's a lot of people that still prefer making use of a paper serviette. And this way we're combining both, which is very nice. So we want to put that, just so you can see the angle, diagonally onto this blocked part, making sure that parts of the paper one is sticking out over. Okay, so there it's sticking out. This one we're just going to, because that's our line, we're just going to fold this upwards. I'm going to fold this one upwards. Then we want to close this one over it. And you can readjust it once you're done, because they usually move while you're working. Okay, so you've got your little gold or red border. We're going to fold this upwards again. So now we have that. Tip it over. And imagine having a line, two lines down here. If you want to, you can say about a hand's width. I'm going to take that over. And you'll see one of them is open and the other side has like a little bit of a pocket. So we're going to take the pocket part first. I'm going to bring this one over and we're just going to pop that corner into the pocket. And now if you excuse me, I'm just going to grab my knife and fork. And then we are able to place them inside.